In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize quote templates in HubSpot 2025. Whether you're looking to streamline your business operations or simply want to add a personal touch to your customer quotes, personalizing these templates can be a simple yet effective way to stand out. HubSpot is a powerful tool, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to make the most of its quote customization features. Let's start by heading over to the user guide section of HubSpot. It acts as a comprehensive resource where you can gain insights into various aspects of the platform. So, navigate to the user guide, which you'll find on your home screen, to get things rolling. Once you're there, look for the quotes section. This section is the hub where all your quote activities will be initiated. Clicking on quotes will introduce you to the available templates and give you a better understanding of what can be personalized. Next, let's proceed to Actions. Click on the Actions button. This is where you get to make magic happen, as it opens up a menu with several options to control and manipulate your quotes. You're looking to make changes, so head on over to Customize Quote Templates from this menu. This vital step is all about accessing the customization features to tailor the templates to your brand's specific aesthetic and needs. Now that you've clicked on Customize Quote Templates, you've entered the heart of the customization process. Here, you have access to an array of options provided by HubSpot to modify the template's appearance and structure. You might want to change the colors to align with your brand palette, adjust the layout to improve readability, or swap out default images with your company's visuals. Each adjustment you make should work towards creating a quote template that mirrors your brand identity while also ensuring clarity and professionalism. Remember, the goal is to keep the quotes both visually appealing and easy to read. It's also beneficial to include company details such as your logo and contact information in prominent positions, enabling your clients to immediately recognize your brand and find your contact details effortlessly. Once you've successfully made all the desired changes, take a moment to review your template. This review acts as a crucial quality check, ensuring that all information is accurate and visually well-aligned. If you're satisfied with the look and content of your customized quote template, save your changes. Now, this template is ready to be used in future quotes effortlessly, saving you time and maintaining consistency. Customizing quote templates in HubSpot 2025 is a straightforward process that, when done thoughtfully, can significantly impact how clients perceive your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions about HubSpot or need further assistance in personalizing your marketing tools, don't hesitate to reach out.